What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $150 a day and make money online using Facebook. Now, there are plenty of ways that you can actually leverage free strategies on Facebook in order to earn income every single day. But with this strategy, I'm just going to share with you one of the ways that you can do this. And believe it or not, it's still somewhat underutilized on this app. So that way you can actually leverage this strategy as part of your marketing, your daily marketing, and that way you can actually earn affiliate commissions every single day with this strategy. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So make sure you grab a pen and paper. I promise you this is going to be really helpful for you. So I'm in the affiliate marketing space, so this is what I leverage it for. But even if you have like an e-commerce store or you're in a different niche aside from like the make money online or internet marketing niche like I am, you can still follow on with this video and still get results with whatever it is that you're promoting. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the content, and let me share with you what you need to do in order to earn $150 a day using Facebook. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to share with you why you should be using Facebook stories in your daily marketing. I'm also going to show you a simple posting strategy for Facebook stories that'll actually help you to earn commissions every single day. And then also make sure you stay until the end of the video, because I have a few of my own case studies where I have leveraged using Facebook, like using free Facebook strategies in order to earn income. So make sure you stay until the end of the video, and I'll let you know how you can get access to those case studies. So first things first, Facebook stories has over 300 million daily active users. So if you know anything about Facebook, you know that Facebook itself has over 2 billion users on the app. So for 300 million daily active users that are actually using Facebook stories, it's still a drop in the bucket. So a lot of people still aren't using Facebook stories as part of their marketing, or using Facebook stories to even interact with other people. So this is wide open for you to come through in order to promote whatever business that you're promoting or anything like that. Now, just like with any other strategy on Facebook, with this one you want to have its own marketing strategy in order for it to work. Now, what I mean by that is, like in previous videos I've done on this channel, I talked about how you can actually leverage your Facebook profile in order to earn affiliate commissions. So in addition to having a strategy for your Facebook profile, you want to have a strategy for Facebook stories, and I'm going to share with you a simple strategy that you can use and you can get started with today. Now, just how I mentioned earlier, this is just one of the many ways on Facebook that you can actually earn free commissions using the free marketing strategies on Facebook. And then the tools that you will need, of course, you'll need the Facebook phone app. Yes, you can get access to Facebook stories on your desktop, but I prefer that you actually use the app. Now, if you only have access to desktop, then definitely just use what you have. And then also I'm going to share with you a phone design app that you can use. It's optional, but it's available on iOS and on Android phones. And this is something else that I actually kind of use whenever I am marketing on Facebook stories. So if we were to come over here on Facebook, we're looking at the stories app we're actually looking at the stories on the desktop. If I just click on this, we can see here they have a variety of different stories. So you can just come up here and you can kind of see what people are kind of posting on their stories. So people are sharing videos, they're showing what's happening in their life, what's happening on their weekends, lifestyle type of photos, and everything else. So this is just a really good way to kind of interact and see what your friends are actually doing. And again, most people actually kind of prefer using the stories app or the stories feature on Facebook, because they can see more content, they can interact more, they can see more content than they probably would see if they were just using the news feed on Facebook. So the posting strategy that we want to use for this is, one, we want to use a variety of different posts in order to keep people engaged. Because if we do one too many of the same type of posts, it'll kind of get annoying after a while, okay? So the first type of post that we want to do is an engagement type of post where we just ask a question. And then also the next type of post we want to do is something motivational, inspirational. Another type of post is lifestyle, just how I showed you earlier on the desktop version of stories, how people were showing what they were eating on the weekend and for a birthday party and all that type of stuff. And then also what you want to do is you want to show a type of result or proof image, and then you want to ask for the sale. And then another one you want to do is just a flat out sales post, or you can just do another result post showing some proof and an ask. Now, if you do this, this is how you're going to be able to get sales every day, because what most people do is that they don't really ask for the sale every single day, and you should. Think about with Burger King and McDonald's or any of these other type of businesses or commercials that you see on TV. They're always asking for the sale. Hey, we have new chicken nuggets here. Come in and buy. Everybody is asking for the sale. So you want to do the same thing for your business in order to earn commissions every single day. You want to make sure that you are asking for the sale every single day. But while you're doing this, you're also giving a different variety of different posts. You're showing you're asking questions. You're inspiring people. You're showing people your lifestyle and everything else. So what I want to share with you next is some kind of examples of how you can actually create these type of posts using the Stories app on the phone. So right now we're on my phone app right now, and if I was to click on this one right here where it says create a story, now I can see a variety of different options that come up. So just how I mentioned, the first one you want to do is an engagement post. So you can simply use the text option, and you can put in this one, just asking your audience a question. So where in the world do you want to travel to? Something like that. Just something where you asking a question, right? So that's one type of post where you're just asking a question and just want to get some type of engagement from your audience. What you can also use is you can come over here and you can create a poll. So you can ask a simple question, like a simple yes or no question. Are you staying in this weekend or not? Or are you going to watch this movie or something else? Just ask any type of question. And then you can have the yes or no option here. You can also edit these options to where it doesn't have yes or no. It can be any answer that you want. And then you can post that as well. So that's how you're going to get your engagement post for the day. The next type of post that you want to do is something motivational or something inspirational. So I will come back here to text, and you can write a simple quote inside of here in order to motivate or engage or be inspirational to your audience. So one type of quote that I always use is, something like, if you believe in law of attraction, you can do thoughts become things, right? You can just do like a one-liner quote or something like that here. Also, you can leverage the phone app that I'm going to share with you in just a few seconds, and you can create a really beautiful type of post in order to create your motivational or inspirational type post. And then what you can also do is you can do a lifestyle type of post. So again, if you're at the beach this weekend or you went out to dinner with family and friends, you can create a short 15-second video, or maybe you can take a picture and you can upload that to your stories. So that way you're showing a little bit of your lifestyle. This is also helping people to get to know you a little bit better and everything else. Now, the next type of post that you can do is a result, proof, or a ask post. So what an example of that can be is I can choose this picture right here. And in this picture, it's about a video that I had posted back in June and has already earned me over $1,200 with just that one video. So I can post this picture right here, and then I can click on the text option right here, and I can put in something like, who wants to know how to make money with YouTube, right? I can add something like that, and I can tell people to send me a private message, and then anybody that sends me a private message, I can send them the link to whatever it is that I am promoting or selling, right? So that's a version of a results or a proof type post, and where you're asking for the sale. And then another one that you can also do is a simple just sales post. So you can also use the text option here again, and you just simply want to know, like, let's put in here, who wants to learn how to make $100 to $300 a day using Facebook. So this is just a flat out sales post. So anybody that responds to this or send a message through my messenger, I'm just going to send them directly to the link to whatever product I am selling. Now, you may be asking, where can I find some products to sell? Well, this is one place that you can actually find some products. So if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also give this video a thumbs up, and let's get back to the content. So for me, like I said, I am in the make money online internet marketing niche. So I can find low-cost products on this website called warriorplus.com. It's free to join. You can also join clickbank.com as well. And that way, both of these websites are free to join. You just want to create in a free account, and that way you can actually find products to promote. So right now we're looking at Warrior Plus, and what I can do here is I can choose any of these options right here because these are the top products for today that are actually selling the most on Warrior Plus right now. And then I can also choose any product that's on from the top product from yesterday, the last 7 days, or the last 30 days. I can also come over here to affiliate, and I can click on offers. And once I'm here, I can see an entire list of different products starting to show up that I can actually promote. So I can choose any of these that I think will actually help people in order to get results. And then I can just grab my affiliate link off of Warrior Plus, or if you can do the same thing on ClickBank, and I have tons of videos on my channel about ClickBank and how you can actually find products on ClickBank to promote. You can choose any of these and you can find products to promote. So those will be the type of things that you can offer to people on your Facebook stories in order to generate affiliate commissions. Now, if you have an e-commerce store, then you'll just send people directly to your e-commerce store. You'll give them a link directly to the product or whatever it is that you're selling in order to generate sales. Now, make sure you stay until the end of the video. Again, I'm going to let you know how you can get access to my case studies on how I actually leverage free Facebook marketing in order to generate sales. Now, the phone app that I want to share with you is called Word Swag. Now, again, this is available on Apple and Android phones. Now, this is just in a way that you can actually make your post stand out a little bit further. It's optional, but you can definitely use that. So what you would do when we come over here to Word Swag is that we will actually just find a background that we can use, or you can also use the search bar up here in order to find additional images if you don't find anything below the search bar that you want to use. And they're going to show you a variety of different royalty-free images from pixabay.com that you can actually use in order to create your image. So we can choose this one right here, and you can choose the 9:16 option right here, or you can use IG stories. You want to hit crop, and now you want to add your text. So you can have any type of saying or motivational post here. You can also you can ask your questions on here or whatever else. Put any text that you want. You can change the font as much as you want here to whatever font you want to use. You can do that here. You can also darken the image that you're using. You can lighten it, everything else. And this is just, you can use the free version of this app. All you want to do is just save it to your phone. And then when you go back to Facebook stories on your app, it'll be there for you to actually use inside of your Facebook stories post. Now that I have shown you that, what I want to share with you next is how you can actually leverage other strategies in order to make money with Facebook. Like I said, with Facebook stories, this is just one way that you can use free marketing on Facebook in order to earn commissions. Now, there's a variety of different ways that you can do this. But first, let me share with you how you can get access to my case studies. So right now, I'm sharing with you a product called Traffic Nemesis. Now, this is a product that I clearly have right now. And as you can see here inside of this product, it's actually going to teach you how to leverage additional free Facebook marketing strategies in order to earn sales every single day. So like I said, Facebook stories is just the tip of the iceberg. You also have ways that you can actually leverage Facebook groups, how to use profile traffic, how to get traffic from your post, how to use messenger traffic, and also how to use Facebook stories in order to generate income. Also, inside of this course, he's also going to give you additional case studies, and one of those case studies is going to be from someone who earned over $1,500 in 1 week just leveraging his Facebook profile in order to get sales. Now, underneath this video in the description below, I'm going to include a link that's going to bring you here to this page here, where I give you another brief overview about Traffic Nemesis and what you can expect. You're also going to see somebody who actually leveraged these free strategies in order to generate sales. And then also, you're going to get 5 additional bonuses from me of my case studies showing you how I actually use free Facebook marketing strategies in order to generate sales. So the first bonus you're going to get is my bonus where I made over close to $500 in 1 day. The next bonus is going to be how I earned $321 in 24 hours. You're also going to get my daily marketing blueprint as well that you can use for Facebook. And then you're also going to get my 2 additional case studies. The first one is the $200 in 48 hours Facebook case study. And then the other one is where I earned $221 using free Facebook traffic in order to earn some affiliate commissions. You're going to get all of this for about $13. So again, underneath this video, I'm going to include a link that's going to bring you here to this page where you can get more information about Traffic Nemesis. You'll just click on this yellow button here where you can actually purchase it. And again, it's only about $13, and you're going to get all my 5 additional bonuses in addition to that, as well as the 2 additional case studies and bonuses from the actual vendor who created Traffic Nemesis. So in this video, I share with you a simple strategy on how you can make $150 per day using Facebook stories. Now, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that link so that way you can get access to Traffic Nemesis and all my additional bonuses, so that way you can leverage additional strategies inside of Facebook for free in order to get more affiliate commissions or more sales to whatever product that you are promoting online. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.